Hi, today we're going to be making beef Manhattan. It's also called open-faced beef. It's that dish that you order on a menu that has a slice of bread and then a pile of mashed potatoes and then the beef on top. I'm not crazy about the slice of bread part, but we do like it with mashed potatoes. We're going to do it in the crock pot. So let's get started. Okay, these are the ingredients that we'll need. I have here a 3-pound roast, about 4 little pats of butter. It's about 1/4 cup of butter, 1½ cups of water. And then this is what makes it so easy. We have a packet of brown gravy mix, au jus, and onion soup mix. Now what I want to tell you about the onion soup mix is if you are out, you want to use it for any recipe, and you have minced or dried onion flakes and powdered bouillon, you can make your own. So the recipe would be 1 tablespoon of the powdered bouillon and then 2 tablespoons of the dried onion flakes. So there have been many times I didn't do a recipe because I didn't have it, and now that I found the recipe quite some time ago, I thought, oh, I'm gonna do that if I'm ever out. So first of all, we'll go ahead and mix the 2 gravies together. How awesome is it to be gone for a long day and come home to something like this cooking in the crock pot? Makes your house smell good, and it puts food on the table a lot quicker. Okay, I think that's stirred together. Now we're just gonna bring our crock pot over here. I've generously greased or oil sprayed, whatever you call it, the inside of the crock pot, and I'm going to season the meat with just some salt and pepper here. I'm going to do a generous amount of pepper, but I'm going to go light on the salt because of the gravies we have here. It's not necessary. You do want a little though. Okay, then we're going to put, well, I need to clean my hands again. Then we'll put the onion soup mix on top. You can also add extra onion if you'd like. I would usually do that, but it's not really necessary. And then, in fact, if you do the sliced onions, you would put those down underneath the beef. And then I'm going to just pour this gravy in, top it with our little pats of butter here. I'm putting it right on the meat. Then we'll cover it, cook it on high for 4 to 6 hours, or on low for 6 to 8 hours. So we'll come back again. 6 long hours, and it's nice and tender. Chop it or shred it, and then it's ready to put on a nice pile of mashed potatoes. Spoiler here, I've already tasted it and it's delicious. Probably the best Manhattan I've ever had. Remember, the recipe is down below in the description box, and please like and subscribe to my channel.